Hello. Welcome to the Solid Experts Technical Tips series. This is a monthly series of 2 to 5 minute web videos offering technical tips in a number of topics. My name is John Nolan. I'm the technical representative for Solid Experts based out of the New England office. Today is the first in our series on the Dassault SolidWorks application DraftSight, the 2D DWG DXF editor that you can have for free to go along with your SolidWorks. Now, I have a situation where I've downloaded a file, a DWG file, from an online repository, 3D Content Central, TechParts, GrabCAD, wherever. And I'm going to go ahead and try to open the file. I'm going to show the situation. So this is a 2013 DWG, happens to be a Rockwell automation part. I can see the preview going on, but when I click the open command, I get what I call the punt error. And the reason I call this punt error, there's just an OK button. There's no cancel, there's no back, and it says invalid, incomplete, DWG, unable to continue. And sure enough, when I click OK, nothing at all. So I laughingly call that go punt error. I'm going to open DraftSight, and again, this is very much an imitation of AutoCAD LT. It looks very much the same, works the same way, and in fact I've already opened this file. It's a DWG file, and it opens in DraftSight just fine. Nothing wrong with it. Now I could do a list and go around and try to find the block reference that's causing the problem, or maybe there's an XREF to a file that isn't included, whatever it is. But rather than do any of that and try to troubleshoot this file explicitly, I have very good capability in DraftSight to do a save as. And I can save as a whole variety of formats. Now, one of the ones that I recommend for a situation like this, and this is also useful for going to laser cutters, flamejet cutters, any of those things, is a 2004-2006 DXF file. Now, going to DXF puts it in the ASCII translating format. Here I'm going to click OK, and it's fine, it's done. So I've went from a 2013 DWG to a 2004 DXF. Now I go back to my SolidWorks, go ahead, open again, pick the DXF file this time, click open, and now I get the normal DWG DXF import wizard from SolidWorks. I can go to my 2D sketch, go about my business, and I've cured the problem, whatever it may be. A bad block reference, a nested reference, whatever it is, it doesn't really matter at this point. I just want the 2D sketches so I can go and start converting this into 3D. So that's the technical tip for our first in the series of DraftSight. Use the multi-file capability. Convert any problem DWG into a DXF, reopen that in SolidWorks, and you're good to go. Thank you for your time and attention, and stay tuned for yet another in our series of SolidWorks and DraftSight technical tips from Solid Experts. Good day.